Guess what we're making today? Butter! Not whipping cream. Butter!
It removes the milk from the cream, and the cream from the butter. And you'll see in a minute how the cream is going to separate from the milk, and the milk is
Pancakes. We could have buttermilk pancakes with our homemade butter, all from whipping cream. Yay! All right, look guys, oh my gosh, it worked. I saw it switch over. Now we have butter. Look at that. There's at the buttermilk, the bottom, and butter. We got butter. We got butter. Okay, so I made the butter. It came together really quickly. So I put it in the cheesecloth, strained it in the ice water to rinse all of the buttermilk off so it wouldn't become rancid. Then I divided it into these 3 bowls. So the first bowl, I have some garlic, minced garlic, which I lightly sauteed in some bacon rendering oil with some salt, some pepper. I have some oregano and some thyme. I used a lot of this mixed Italian season, which has a little bit of everything in it. Extra parsley for some freshness. Of course, I said salt and pepper already. Add a little bit more garlic powder just to get that extra garlic flavor, and a little bit of onion. So this is a garlic Italian butter. And then this one, compound butter. This one's bacon. So
Bacon! Bacon!
okay. We cut up the bacon, we cooked it, rendered out all the fat, we added in salt, pepper, of course, and then some smokehouse maple seasoning, Grill Master, and then it wouldn't be complete without maple syrup. Okay, so this one's like a sweet savory mix, and this one's sweet all the way. This one is going to be really good for like a sweet potato, I think. So we have some organic coconut sugar, some maple syrup, mixed with some nutmeg, and we have allspice and ground cinnamon. So these are the 3 we got going on. We got to mix them together.
Got butter! All right, friends, we rolled the butter up. And we're going to put them in the fridge. And these are yummy goodies. You'll never buy store-bought butter ever again.
Well, we'll see. We have to do the taste test. Taste test. That's next.